Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be learning all about inequality. So these are the inequality signs. Dash equal is represented to equals to, or and dash n is or exclamation mark represents not equal to. Dash gt or inequality sign represents greater than, or dash lt or the other inequality sign represents less than. Dash ge represents greater than or equals to. Dash le represents less than or equal to. Now we're going to do a ticket. How to write a script that checks if you've entered the correct PIN. This is for security management now. How to write a script that checks if you've entered the correct PIN. This is related to security management. So on MobileX term, you're going to touch pin.sh. Then you're first going to write these groups of commands below in your Word document. And this script will check the PIN is entered is correct. Echo, please enter your PIN. Read PIN. If PIN is equal to 4,000 or whatever PIN you included, then you've entered the correct PIN. Thank you for banking with us. Else, sorry, you have entered the wrong PIN. Your account is blocked for your protection. Please visit a branch for further assistance. Then you're going to copy the script above and VI into pin.sh. Escape, Shift ZZ, and save and quit. Now we're going to learn another ticket. How to write a script that checks who won the election. This is part of security management as well. You're going to go on MobileX term. You're going to touch voting.sh. First, you're going to type these groups of commands below in Sublime Text or Word document. This script checks the votes. If votes greater than 50%, then he won the election. Else, he lost the election. Echo, he became the president via fraud. Fi, this is the else if condition. And I explained it in my shorts that I did. If you haven't seen that short, please check it out now in the right now. Then you're going to copy the script above and paste it into VI into voting.sh. Our next ticket is how to write a script that checks your GPA and your classes. You're going to touch GPA.sh. I don't know why I put voting there. Then you're going to say this script checks the GPA and determines your class. If GPA is greater than 4, then congratulations, you're a first class student. Else if it's greater than 3, congratulations, you're a second class student. Else is greater than 2, congratulations, you're a third class student. Else you have failed. Copy the script above and paste it in gpa.sh. Escape Shift ZZ to save and quit. Now let's go ahead and practice this in MobileX term. First what we're going to do is clear our screen. Then we're going to go to our first ticket. Copy this. touch pin.sh. Then we're gonna vi into pin.sh. Then we're going to insert mode, paste it. Now that we have it here, what we're gonna do is change this code over here because I don't really want this code. I want something more complicated. 989796. If you enter the correct print, thank you for banking with bank name. Let's put Neobank. Sorry, you've entered the wrong name. Your careers. Yeah, and then we're going to shift ZZ. Now let's sh this. Please enter your PIN. Let's say I do it wrongly. It says, sorry, you've entered the wrong PIN. Your account has been blocked for further protection. Now let's do it again and enter the right PIN. 989796. Enter the correct PIN. Thank you for banking with Neobank. Now let's say we don't want anyone to see our own PIN. Let's do read dash s. Read dash s. Shift ZZ. Now let's type. You've entered the correct PIN. This is for further securing your account and so that people cannot see your own PIN. So if you enter the wrong one by accident, it will be blocked. This is like what we discussed in our previous video. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. And now let's do our next one. Let's do our next one. Next ticket. How to write a script that checks who won the election. We're gonna first touch voting. sh. Copy this. vi into voting. sh. Paste it. Let's remove this percentage. Maybe that's the problem. 68. He won the elections. There we go. However, if we put it 34, he lost the elections. He became the president by fraud. Now let's vi into this to show to explain what we did. So over here, if you put the percentages over here, it's not gonna work properly. Like if you put the percentages, it's not gonna work. Therefore, you have to put the numbers. So read dash s the votes. This will read the votes of people, like how many people voted for him. And if he gets more than 50 votes, then he wins the elections. Else he lost the elections and became the president by fraud. And that's it. Now let's go on to the next question. It's the GPA one. Copy this. Touch GPA.sh. Now let's vi to GPA.sh, insert mode, paste. If GPA greater than 40, so first we need to read the GPA. Read GPA. Echo, what is your GPA? Read GPA. And this is the if command. This is the conditions. If the GPA is greater than 4, congratulations, you're a first class student. If it's greater than 3 or equal to 3, then congratulations, you're a second class student. If it's greater or equal to 2, then congratulations, you're a third class student. Else you fade. Now let's practice this. Shift's easy. SH GPA.sh. What is your GPA? 4. Congratulations, you're a first class student. Now let's do it again. 3. You're a second class student. Now let's do this again. 2. You're a third class student. Now let's do it again. 1. Uh-oh, you failed. Now, we've did all of our conditions and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a thumbs up and like and share this video with those who may be struggling with this concept. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye! Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.